You could get a better understanding before installing. Before installing the new headband, please remove the old one. Pry open the OEM plastic parts. You won't need the OEM plastic parts anymore. Unscrew the screws. You won't need the OEM plastic parts anymore. Cut off the old leather. Peel off the old foam and PVC sheet. You'll get a bare headphone frame. Align the new headband with the headphone frame. Place the wires inside the cable slot. Press until you hear a click sound, indicating that the headband is secured. Attach the double-sided tape to the iron arm. Stick the leather to the double-sided tape. Repeat the process for the bottom side. Cover the plastic parts. Tighten the screws.